So I downloaded all the Pirates of the Caribbean movies before I came. So the internet goes to pot. After pretty much noon, you can't stream anything. So I got all those movies and been watching those at night till I fall asleep, and it's been good. Woke up this morning. I don't know, 1, 2 o'clock. The thing froze up on us, the AC unit. So not really froze up. It just gets like ice in the little coils, and it doesn't blow as good. So I had to adjust that and get it to defrost. But anyway, today's just gonna be a relaxing beach day before we leave tomorrow.
You've been filming me in the mornings.
What? Yeah, I know. I'm filming you in the morning because you're so beautiful. I just love to see you. Last beach day. Ray's heading back to New Orleans tomorrow. I know she's leaving today, actually. So she's excited. Doing this 0.4 mile trek down to the beach here at Henderson State Park. They met down here last beach day. Her and Stacy down there with Emma. Got our umbrellas all did, got our sunscreen did. Not a bad last day if it just holds out. Water time. Brennan and her little friend Haley from Kentucky been on those boogie boards all morning. I don't know what Brock is doing with his shirt there, but yeah. I got us some lunch. We're heading back out to the beach. This show is pretty. Jen's packing up. Last time we're gonna be on the beach for this trip. So you see what she's got me pulling up. Thanks. All right, we packing up the site so we don't have quite as much to do in the morning. I just don't think we had enough towels for this trip. Got some soft taco action with chipotle.
It has to be that one umbrella, the white colored one.
Got a little bit of everything in there.
Lettuce.
Oh yeah.
I'm so bad.
So Brock just knocked the ring out of the chair. I mean, out of the top of that tree. Now he's got himself.
Hey.
Emma threw it up there. Brock stepped up to
I regret that there.
the tree. Threw Brock up back there. Poor Brock. Oh, poor Brock. Alright, so we're out riding around Destin, checking it out. We see this Camp Gulf. We're gonna go see what it's like. It's got a pool. So it is fairly tight spaces here at Camping on the Gulf. Alright, so here at the Camping on the Gulf, they got a little, pretty good sized pool, some water slides, the activity center, and do not enter, but here we go. Oh wow. That is a big those 3 axles. So they're down on the beach, literally. It's all the big expensive ones down here on the beach. So here's the beach access from this Camp Gulf. Go straight on out. Oh man, it's for the hardcore beachgoers here. You want something straight on the beach. This Camp Gulf is the place to be. I personally don't think I would do this. Just because you have all that sand you'd be tracking in and out of the camper. I don't know. I'd be off the beach a little bit. Dude, I don't think I've seen a resort packed in so tightly. Yeah. The other side of the pool. That's a basketball, little beach, playground area. They even have a seafood and brew shack right here by the pool. Bathhouse with the washateria. Wow, that's an Airstream. That is cool. If I were to do it again, I probably would prefer to do this one just for a different experience. I know Brennan would love the pools and the beach and all that right there. All the little kids running around, she meet friends. Would it be something I want to do with just adults? Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so we're in Destin now and realized we've been here before shopping. I got a theater too. So we got back. Brittany's stayed here in her little bed with the little lights. I hate this. The last day of any trip. About to have to get up, blow off the roof, and then pull up to Jackson. We'll start heading back to North Louisiana. This is why you check your slide before you pull out.